Find the best PC case for airflow on Amazon and Aliexpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best PC case for airflow on the market. 1.
This is NZXT's H510 PC case. It is compact mid-tower ATX case with stunning and an excellent value. Perfect when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrificing features. A removable radiator mounting bracket, flush tempered glass window, multiple fan filters, and front USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C are just some of the amenities. With a USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, it's easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, or the latest peripherals to your PC. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel showcase your stunning build. Cable management can often take more time than assembly. It has a cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps for intuitive and easy wiring. H510 is a solid case, well constructed, and reliable materials have been used throughout.
2.
This is Phanteks Eclipse P400A. It breathes performance with its full metal mesh front panel. Thanks to engineering improvements, the company has been able to create an ultra-fine performance mesh that brings the best possible performance while keeping dust from entering the system. With the integrated Digital-RGB fan controller and fans, you can easily customize the color theme with the touch of a button right out of the box. It has 3 pre-installed Digital-RGB equipped fans to provide high airflow with low noise to optimize your system. The Digital-RGB controller can be expanded with more Digital-RGB products and synced with any compatible motherboard, offering more performance out of the box and supporting upgrades like vertical GPU placement and up to 6 HDD positions. The P400A is compact yet capable of housing powerful systems. It is a nice evolutionary update to an old classic. It packs in better airflow, some solid RGB fans, and good build experience. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order.
3.
This is Fractal Design Meshify C. It strikes an aggressive pose in the Fractal design lineup with unparalleled cooling performance and a defiant new look. Like diamond facets, the angular asymmetry of the Meshify C carves a space uniquely its own as a new dominant force in high airflow design with stealth-inspired aesthetics for exceptional style. A compact yet spacious open layout creates an unrestricted airflow path from front intakes directly through key components to the exhaust, ensuring heat is never an issue. Flexible storage options with up to 5 storage devices, and versatile hardware support. Unrestricted airflow with an open interior and easy-to-clean filters on the front, top, and base. Superior air cooling with 7 total fan positions allows for extensive air cooling. The Meshify C provides glass-sided case buyers with good quality and enhanced liquid cooling support at a comparatively average price. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order.
4.
This is Thermaltake S100. It has tempered glass snow edition micro chassis that combines sophistication, elegance, and simplicity, and is built with modern steel construction. The magnetically secured swing-out panel provides easy access for system maintenance or component upgrades. Based on the key features of S-Series chassis TG, it is designed to be even more compact, and is manufactured with 1 tempered glass window on the left for a stunning view, and 1 pre-installed 120mm standard fan at the rear for fundamental ventilation. Spacious vented front panel and perforated top panel supporting various cooling configurations to maximize airflow. The flexibility is limitless for high-end components. The S100 TG Snow Micro Chassis is a great fit for users who are looking for a budget-friendly and stylish chassis. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order.
5.
This is NZXT's H510 IPC case. It is a compact mid-tower ATX case that is both stunning and an excellent value. Perfect when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrificing features. It features design improvements including a redesigned SSD tray, flushes tempered glass mounting, and numerous fine adjustments for a smarter build experience. The new smart device V2 includes a faster microprocessor providing NZXT cam-powered control of 2 Hue 2RGB lighting channels, and 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans. It comes with a USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel showcase your stunning build.